Namaste everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will practice a posture that has multiple benefits. It tones your abdominal muscles, strengthens your pelvic region, it is good for digestion, improves your posture, opens the hips and groins, and these are just some of the benefits of Malasana, the Garland Pose. Let's practice it together. Stand with your feet slightly apart with your toes pointing out. Like this. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Inhale through the nostrils, and now as you exhale, bend your knees and start squatting. Sit as low as available. You can take the support of your hands if you need to. Ensure that your knees and toes are facing in the same direction. Also, make sure that you're not putting your weight on the insides of your feet. Open up your pelvic joint and put equal weight on your feet firmly. Now, as you exhale, bring your hands together in prayer position and with your elbows gently nudge your knees out. As soon as you do that, you have room to straighten your spine a little bit more. And right there, you are in the Garland Pose Malasana, getting a fantastic stretch in your groins, inner thighs, lower back, abdominal organs, getting a good massage. At the same time, your feet, ankles, legs getting strengthened. Stay there for 5 to 8 breaths. To come out of it, send your hands behind you, take the support of the hands and place your hips on the mat. Alternately, what you can do from your Malasana, use the quad strength and stand straight. Now, what if I can't go down? While going down, my heels are coming off. If that is the case, use a blanket or a towel. Roll it like I have rolled it. Place the rolled towel or blanket underneath your heels and rest your feet, especially the heel region, on the rolled blanket. As soon as you do that, you will be able to squat deeper. And when your feet are firmly balanced, you will be able to open up the pelvic region and derive the benefits of this fabulous posture. Breathe and enjoy the pose. Now, some of the variations that you can add to your Malasana are from your Garland Pose, that is Malasana, take a deep breath in and stretch your arms up towards the ceiling. You can add a twist by placing one hand on the ground and taking the other up towards the ceiling and turning your gaze to the top hand. Or you can include a bind for a deeper twist like this, wrapping your hands around one knee and looking up in the opposite direction. Ensure that you do it on both the sides. These are some variations that you can add to your practice. I hope you enjoyed practicing Malasana with me. I'll see you soon with another video. Thank you so much for watching this video and subscribing to my channel.